Hey tubes, as you can see, I got my dirt bike plated, and right now I'm repairing the seat, or I'm going to try to with some, should have used the fake leather pattern, but I didn't think it was like that. Still has some of a pattern, but whatever, it's like marine vinyl or something. It's actually thicker than the original seat. I have it behind here, but I'm going to try to glue it on. I have some not tight spray glue. So I'll try. I'll put tape on this so I don't spray it there, and then try to install it. Whoops. Crappy filming. I'm gonna put tape here so it doesn't, because this is actually like silver, the glue. Hey tubes. Instead of doing it the right way, I found out it'll be really hard to get that in there, so I'm just gonna try to spray glue around it, which is probably not a good idea, but whatever. Well, I got the patch on there, and glue is around the edges. Hopefully it's enough. But one other thing, I replaced the accessory bulbs. So when you turn the headlights on, green lights in here. Kawasaki green. That's it. I'll probably drive around on it or something when I clean these up. Maybe I'll do a cold start video. Look at this. You can tell it's 70s because it has like that plaid in there. Crappy Loctite glue didn't work, obviously, and so I'm going to use some liquid nails glue. It says vinyl cove base, and my seat's vinyl, so that's what I'm going to try. I'm just going to recreate this patch out of a new piece of vinyl. I have a whole bunch of it. Cost like $5 for this whole thing. So I did a little sanding around the edges. Probably won't do anything, but I'll try it. Now I'm gonna put the glue on. So there's an excellent looking repair. I got a patch on. Doesn't looks okay. better than before, and it'll probably be held on. And I redid it, obviously. And that's it. Really, I have it in the sun, so it'll probably cure faster or something. And yeah.